Big Wild Animals. Story by Bruce Larkin. Look at the bear. Look at the elephant. Look at the giraffe. Look at the tiger. Look at the rhino. Look at the gorilla. Bear, elephant, giraffe, tiger, rhino, gorilla. This book is available at willbook.com and was recorded using Screencast-O-Matic. It was read aloud by Madeline Phillips.